Namaste and welcome to my channel Deep Astro Universe. Today I'll be talking about the fourth house lord sitting in different houses and how it impacts your fourth house. So before I begin, you need to know what exactly fourth house denotes. So fourth house basically denotes your mother, your motherland, your comforts, your happiness, your home life. Now, if this fourth house lord gets connected with the first house, somewhere these people are very much connected to their mother, your motherland, and they're very comfortable in their home, career in their hometown also, or somewhere near to their home, and they can even do something for their mother and even for their motherland. There is a connection, this person's connection is somewhere linked with the mother and the motherland, and the comfort of life and the happiness of life comes in their life through mother. Okay, and it sometimes it comes very easily also. So even if I talk about not just comforts and happiness, they can expect that the all the assets of life, like if you see in a home you have got AC, refrigerators, all those things, appliances. So these people get all these comforts very easily because the fourth house lord, the comfort house lord, happiness house lord is getting connected with the first house. So they get all these things very easily, whether it be home, whether it be vehicle, whether it be comforts, as I said, like happiness, comforts, like if they want to buy any appliance for their home, like AC, refrigerator, all those things, everything comes easily in their life until less some bad planet or harsh planets comes and sit in the fourth house. But whenever the fourth house lord is sitting in the first house, this brings this brings easy comfort, and they are well connected with their mother and motherland. Now when this fourth house lord is sitting in the second house, so their comfort, the natives comfort, happiness, emotion goes towards their family, their money, and even towards their food. These people love to eat good food. They are very much connected with their family, maybe especially mother. And their mother could be someone who is leading in their family, who is, you know, bread earner in their family, because the fourth house lord is going into the second house. So the money part is coming from the mother, the fourth house. Now, when the fourth house lord is sitting in the third house, this is going 12 places away. These people can live far away from their home, maybe always. They can build home far away from their birthplace. They can go far away from their mother. They can even get disconnected with their mother in the early stage of the life. Fourth house lord sitting in third house even means for your comforts, for your luxuries, for your happiness, you need to put little bit effort because it's sitting in the third house. You need to put hard work and effort to acquire it. So sometimes they have to really struggle to get happiness in their life. Okay. Now, when the fourth house lord is sitting in the fourth house, it's a very strong placement. So these people get comforts, luxuries, happiness very easily in their life, and because it's fourth house lord is very strongly placed somewhere, they have all the they have all the comforts, like their mother is also a very prominent figure in their life, very strong person, and along with that they definitely have some inheritance, means uh, home, building, asset, cars, for luxury, for comfort. They definitely have all this, especially if the Jupiter is connected with the fourth house. Then it brings lot of assets for happiness, for comfort. Means these people are the one who have got big home, big cars, everything is there in their home. Comfort, all things are there in their comfort, for their comfort in their home. And they enjoy their life to the fullest. Now, the fourth house lord, if it is sitting in the fifth house, these people get happiness, comforts, their emotions are connected to either their love relationship, their education, their intelligence, their creativity, or to their children. Okay, and out of that, they feel, because it is going second place away from the fourth house, so definitely they feel that stability in their life, whether it be stability or in the form of family stability, they feel that stability. Now, if the fourth house lord is going into sixth house, now, this means that somewhere, uh, you are definitely, because it's going three places away in the sixth house, and sixth house is your daily routine, work life, your competitions, litigations, court cases, fights, all these things, even the health issues. So somewhere your mother can have some health issue, and even you can have some emotional imbalances in your life, like in the form of anger, because you can be someone who is very competitive, who is ready to fight, and who is very hardworking also. So this is a good placement if you put your emotions, if you put your comforts toward the sixth house matters, like towards the daily routine work life. If your comforts and happiness come from your job, your service, your daily routine work life, what you're doing towards your competition, then these people are the one who feel very happy, very comfortable, when they are competing, when they are in some service, when they clear a competitive exam. Okay, they feel that happiness. And when they fight with people, they are either a lawyer or everyday daily routine work life, all these things and they even can gain asset in the form of real estate, either through loan, or even they can acquire that through fight and litigation, means some court cases and litigation happens in their life, and they acquire some real estate property, some property. Fourth house is also property, so through fights they can even acquire property in their life if it is good placement of fourth house lord in the sixth house. But this even will disturb their mother's health, and even their own comfort, because every day they have to fight in their life. So this will even disturb their happiness. But if you are connected, very well connected to your daily routine work life, and you're very service oriented person, then definitely it can bring happiness from there also. When this fourth house lord goes into seventh house, this is a very beautiful combination. It is going four places away. Now your spouse could be the reason, your business can be the reason for your happiness in life. She or he can be very motherly kind of a figure in your life. Okay, he or she can bring comforts and happiness in your life. It is like fourth house lord going four places, or double emotions are connected, comforts and motherly feeling. So your spouse could be very motherly with you. He or she can bring those emotions and connections, those bonds, those happiness in your life. And he or she can even bring some property, the form of asset like car, all those things for companies. People even get dowry. Okay. So when fourth house lord is sitting in the eighth house, this is going five places away. So definitely you can acquire any kind of property in the form of home or car through inheritance, through others' money, through your spouse's money also. Okay. So this is also very beautiful combination, but it will definitely disturb your mind, because fourth house is your emotions, your happiness, your comforts, your mother. So somewhere your mother's mental health will be disturbed, and even your mental health if it is going into the eighth house. And this can even disturb the relationship with mother also. Very transformative relationship, full of hurdles. Now, when the fourth house lord is sitting in the ninth house, it is going six places away, but definitely in the ninth house. So you can go far away from your mother for higher education, or even you can go far away from your motherland or away from your mother for either for higher education or for becoming a guru, or I should say professor or something like that, getting into a new career. And your mother can be very dharmic, and you could be someone who get comfort and happiness from your religious prospects of life. The time you visit to any pilgrimage, you feel very happy and comfortable. Okay. Now when this fourth house lord goes into the 10th house, somewhere your happiness, your comforts, your emotions are connected to your career. So you get that feeling, you get that comfort and happiness and all those things through your career, through your profession. So you are less connected with your home life and you are more connected with your career and profession. Okay. And these people have a very comfortable seat also in their office, because the fourth house lord is going into the 10th house. So if you see their work space, the chair will be very comfortable. It will be all decorated very nicely. The all shelf or the table, everything will be very nicely decorated, because they want to remain very comfortable in their workspace and they enjoy that. Now, when the fourth house lord is sitting in the 11th house, it is going eight places away. That too in the 11th house, it's a very good combination, definitely, because it will help you gain property, happiness, uh, through lot of opportunities and fulfillment of desires. But with that desire, fulfillment of gaining property, comfort, happiness, and any kind of that motherly feeling and emotions, you have to go through those hurdles of life and transformations, then only that gains opportunities and desire fulfillment comes. And your elder sibling can be a mother like in your life. Your uh, friend circle can be someone who brings happiness in your life, comforts in your life. Now when the fourth house lord is sitting in the 12th house, definitely you will live away from your home, from your mother, either in the foreign place or in some other far away place. And it is even a combination of your mother leaving you early in life. So this is also one of that combination. You can even buy property in foreign land. This is another combination. You can work, you can do real estate business uh, with some foreign clients. That also is there. You can do investments in multinational companies, cryptocurrency. All this combination is also there. So these are the combination, and this is even loss of comforts and happiness. But it also means that you can acquire property, comforts, and wealth in foreign lands, far away from your home. So both the things are there. So this was all for fourth house lord sitting in different houses. So if you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to my channel Deep Astro Universe. And for taking paid consultation, you can simply contact me on my WhatsApp number, and you can fill out the two forms available on my YouTube channel.